Hey, my name is Rufaro, and I'll be doing acting for you today. Yes, Mom. I'm coming. I'm coming. We've got visitors? Okay, I'll be there. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Hello. Nice to meet you. Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. Waters. Okay. Nice to meet you. I'm Rufaro. Yeah. Mom, I'm just texting. You're giving me up for adoption? What do you mean these are my foster parents? They're here to take me? Is this why you said I should pack my clothes? I thought we're going on a cruise. My foster parents? I don't understand, Mom. I mean, what do you mean? Why are you giving me up for adoption? I've been good. I'm not... Have I done anything wrong to you? I mean, you can't afford to take care of me. Why? What happened? Yeah, I know we haven't been eating that's because you said we're fasting. We're not fasting? Oh, okay. So the reason you said we're fasting is because there was no food. And you can't take care of me anymore, so you decided to give me up for adoption without my knowledge? And they're here to collect me? I don't know what to say. I'm shocked. And I can't believe this. I mean, I was just in this family. I know you guys have known you for a long time, and now at this age, I'm going to live with another family because you can't take care of me. And you've lied to me. Every day we pray, we believe in God. I thought we were fasting because it's part of Christianity, but no, it's because we don't have food. And now you give me up for adoption without my knowledge. It's okay. I'll just get my stuff. I don't want to know. I don't. Just, it's okay. I'll be back. Parents. It's fine.